The Black Rock Tunnel, built in 1835, is almost 2,000 feet long. But walking in, it's impossible to say how long it is because the tunnel distorts our perception of reality. Higher dimensions are likewise beyond our realm of experience. Take a line segment like the edge of this coin and rotate it 180 degrees. You get a circle. Take that circle and extrude it by spinning it 180 degrees. You get a sphere. Rotate that sphere by 180 degrees in some other plane, and you get what? It's fascinating how, following this simple sequence of steps, we quickly lose any reference frame we'd previously grounded ourselves in. It's almost as if we found ourselves walking straight off of here. When any given number x is raised to the second, we say x is squared. When x is raised to the third, it is cubed. But after that, there are no more colloquial names for the powers of 4, 5, and etc. These would give the volumes for the analogs of squares and cubes and 4 and 5 spatial dimensions, but we've mostly had no use for them as geometry formulas, as they describe objects outside our understanding. Our limited sensory capacity prevents us from grasping the true internal complexity of what we see. Nevertheless, we can use our understanding of what happens in lower dimensions and extrapolate this knowledge into dimensions higher than 3. For example, a circle has the property of a single continuous surface. If you travel the circumference of the circle, you'll end up back where you started. This property carries over to spheres, where, if you move in a straight line around the two-dimensional surface, you'll return to your location of origin. Similarly, we expect a hypersphere to have a closed, curved, three-dimensional surface, in which you or I would return to our starting location after moving in a straight line in any direction. What use could all this speculation possibly have? Well, some physicists believe that our universe may resemble a hypersphere, that holds space being physically finite but unbounded. And, in string theory, the universe is predicted to have 11 spatial dimensions in total. A good analogy is that of a roll of paper towels. From a distance, it appears as a one-dimensional line segment, but when we examine it more closely, we see it is really the equivalent of a two-dimensional sheet, only rolled up in one direction. Higher dimensions may seem strange, but they behave in ways we can understand, and there may be light at the end of the tunnel.